Hey fellas, we have the Dewalt orbital sander, and this one is lack of power when press it down, so let's see. Yeah, it just stops. Okay. So what we can do here, we can open it, check the bearing here, and this one is not needed for us. Let's see the sanding pad, and probably the bearing will be here. So okay, nice back, nice tool. Okay, everything looks nice here. Let's open the sides of it, and we have the O-ring here. Yep, the metal ring, sorry. Let's just remove it. Okay, what we have more? We have the rubber. Maybe now we'll be able to open the housing. Okay, the wood dust are not needed here for us. And sorry, two screws here. Okay, and basically what this one shows for us here, that we need to take the wires out of here. Okay, I don't know how about the brush, but probably the brush needs to be lifted out. That's a good thing, because we will check the brush. Looks good. Okay, and is that all that is holding the housing, or it's not all? Okay, we have the white wire here. Okay. They have some kind of sticker, nope. Okay, so something is holding you. Okay. Now the motor is holding in the upper housing, but I want it in the to be in the bottom housing, so that's why I'm fighting here. Okay. And yep, I just want the motor to be in a separated from the housing. and it just holds in this pattern housing. And what the heck, why? Okay, let's take the red wire from here. Okay, and so what we have here, we have the bearing, and normally this bearing must be moving. Okay, so we have the problem here. Okay, this one is completely not moving. We'll try to unscrew it. Okay, now you can see it's moving, but it moves really hard, so that's why this one is lack of power. Let's try to hold it somehow. I'm still wanting to remove it. Okay, really strange. Okay, so what I can do here? Okay, so I have the washer and the screw. I know how to pull this one. And we have this part, and the bearing here is completely stuck. And what nicely done here is that the bearing is melted into the housing, so I can see the part number. Of course I can check it for the spare part too, so I need to check the spare part for this one and price for this part. Okay fellas, now let's try to remember how it was assembled, because it's passed a little bit more than a month until I got the part and assembling it. We have nice new part here, the bearing house, and A293, 294. The main difference is this one is not spinning and this one is spinning, so basically that's the difference. Okay, and what can we do now? Probably now we can put things back to place, and okay, yeah, this will be like that, the core will be like that. Okay, probably if something will be not good, I will check the spare parts view for this one and we'll solve that. Okay, so now I have the wire here and the brush here. I want to take the brush out. Okay, first good sign that the housing is just closes nicely, so that's a good sign. Okay, I think we have a couple of screws here for the housing to be closed. Yeah, this one was on the housing. Okay, probably okay. I have the screws here. Okay. Okie dokie. And let's check that. So now we have the terminal. Maybe I will use something to for you to see. This one can be done with the fingers maybe more easily. We have the field terminal here. Okay. Forgot about the brush. Sorry. And just taking this out, and I'm going to clean the brush holder a little bit. And now we have a couple of brush, and okay, let's check. This brush goes probably to this side, yep, and this brush goes to the same side. Okay, why not? So if we have this brush here, I think it will go here. Yep. Like that.